oak of a man. We need a man like an oak tree, my friend, to dance around very free, covered with flowered garlands. Not these supple willow boys that sway in the slightest breeze, or silver birches, shiny at first, catching the sunset glimmer, but too slim to stand an autumn storm. We need English hard wood, a solid oak of a man, producer of acorns and moss, standing tall in the middle of the ecosystem it has made and sustains, beaming generosity and shade, protecting all the lives around it.